Welcome to Coopuno, a revolutionary cooperative crowdfunding system that leverages the power of your relationships to generate a predictable, ongoing passive income and daily cash flow. Coopuno pays you immediately, and you can withdraw your money every single day. Imagine earning $1,000 or $10,000 today and withdrawing it tomorrow. You can with Co-op Wallet because it's private, decentralized, and gives you access to your money 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Coopuno pays out an industry-leading 100% of the royalties in 3 hugely rewarding ways. 25% personal royalty, 50% cooperative royalties split over 6 income levels, and 25% qualified royalties. Qualified royalties pay you the lion's share of your income. Coopuno is the most rewarding income opportunity ever presented. You can earn up to 40% every 28 days from everyone you personally invite. You earn up to 15% every 28 days from thousands of affiliates in your cooperative, and you can receive tens of thousands every 28 days in co-op bonuses. You can earn co-op royalties in 5 powerful ways: personals, their personals, help from above, help from below, and renewals. This is why Coopuno is your fastest way to wealth. Here's how it works. At the heart of Coopuno is the cooperative, which is a one-of-a-kind 3x6 follow me recycling matrix that has 6 rewarding income levels and 1,092 income centers. Imagine simultaneously earning thousands of dollars a day from 3 insanely rewarding cooperatives. The C6 can pay you $459 over and over again. The C27, $2,295 many times every 28 days. And the C53, $4,590 over and over with no earnings limit. But that's not all, because you will earn tens of thousands more in bonuses with no cap. The real star is the Mobius Loop, our exclusive technology that separates co-op from every other income opportunity on the planet. Check this out. Your team follows you from cooperative to cooperative, and every time you complete a cooperative or advance to a higher cooperative, your team can follow, generating more money without more work. This is why you can truly earn an unlimited income with co-op. Imagine, simply complete 3 steps, 1 time. Here's the best part. Coopuno works for 100% of the people, 100% of the time, who complete the 3 simple doable steps. Step 1. Register as a Coopuno affiliate. Places you in the cooperative, allows you to invite others, and you can immediately start receiving royalties. Step 2. Do your part and personally activate 3 or more as quickly as possible, because that puts you in profit and covers your next subscription. Step 3. Ensure your team does the same. That's it. You're done, and it qualifies you to receive maximum earnings bonuses and activates your Mobius Loop. You can help more people, which makes you more money, or sit back and watch your income grow. Everyone wants to know how much they can earn, so let me show you. Coopuno has 3 cooperatives. 50% of your income is generated from cooperative royalties and is distributed across 6 income levels. C6 entry, $6. C27 entry, $27. C53 entry, $53. Coopuno is your business, and you go at your pace. However, for this example, let's make the assumption everyone joins the Coopuno 3-pack for $86 and personally registers 3 in their first 7 days. In your first week, you've earned $96. You're in profit, and it covers your next subscription. Week 2, your team duplicates, and now you're at $158. Week 3, you're now at $266. Week 4, you have received $590 in residual earnings. Week 5, you crack the 1K mark, and you're at $1,562. Week 6, you're now at $7,394, plus you're now on your way to earning $7,394 over and over, and that doesn't even include bonuses, which will add tens of thousands more to your co-op wallet every 28 days. The best part? It's residual pop income, hitting your co-op wallet every second of every day. The most important part? These numbers are precise to a mathematical certainty, and you can prove them to be accurate with any calculator by simply going to the website and looking at the 3 charts. But wait, there's more, way more, because of the Mobius loop. You completed your first cooperative, and now another automatically opens, allowing you to double your income as your team follows you. More money, not more work. This can happen over and over. Imagine, at the end of 1 year, you could have 10 or 50 matrices, each paying tens of thousands of dollars every 28 days. This is why we say Co-op Uno is your fastest way to wealth. As your bonuses mature, you can be earning $36,176 with your Co-op Uno 3-pack over and over with just 3 who have 3, and can earn way more by simply registering more than 3. The only question is this: you in yet? Don't let a few bucks, a few friends, and a few simple doable steps keep you from experiencing true financial freedom. Co-op gets you money.